a Samsung ProXpress M4070FR. So this machine is a very good machine, but we need to change tone. It's a black and white machine, so the steps are very simple. You press here, there's a button here, so press that, open this, then the toner, this is the toner, just pull it out, take it out, then get a second toner, come here, okay, put in the toner like that, close, wait the machine to warm up. Wow, that's ready to make a copy. You can see say toner okay, that's it. So there's nothing hectic on that, very simple steps. Thanks for watching and hope to see you in the next video.